Welcome to our Lattice How-To guide. In this video demonstration, we will walk you through the steps to edit a structured data product to remove ABAC controls. Starting on the pinboard, select the edit icon on the data product as shown. You will then be taken to the Edit Data Product page. You will note that the name of the data product and the structure of the data product, like tables and columns, will automatically populate. On the Transform page, you can redefine or edit your data product. You may choose to preview and load the data to see what rules were applied. To remove ABAC controls, select the ABAC Controls tab. Scrolling down, select the Delete icon to remove the ABAC rule you no longer require. Lattice will then remove the rule you selected. Lattice will remove all the rules you select to be deleted as shown. You might decide to once again preview and load the data to confirm that the ABAC controls have been removed as per your selection. Scroll down and if satisfied, select the Next, Preview, and Finalize button and your newly restructured data product will load. On the Preview and Finalize page, you could alter the details if need be to make your data product recognizable and discoverable. At the base of the page, select the Update Data Product button and Lattice will automatically load your data product to the pinboard to be discovered, used, and shared.